want to welcome all our guests on October 28th to the 30th to the Africa Sustainable Transport Forum, a high-level policy meeting with a ministerial segment. The Kenyan government is proud to be sponsored a host of this meeting, and we are looking forward to Africa coming together to discuss a critical challenge that is part of really an opportunity, a historic opportunity that Africa has. One, as we build infrastructure, as our people develop bigger middle classes, what is happening is that we all see the amount of traffic and the difficulties of mobility in cities. Ironically, this is actually a positive because it indicates it's a fruit of economic growth. It indicates growing prosperity, but at the same time, it has negative impacts on public health and certainly on productivity. And this forum is going to try and address how can we actually become prosperous, how can we grow larger middle classes while actually protecting public health and making urban mobility a healthy and efficient experience for our people. We are not the first continent to have this challenge. This indeed, in fact, is a stage of economic development. And Kenya is happy to be at that stage of economic development, but its impacts must not hurt our people and must not hurt our economies in the long run. And so our policymakers will get together, joined by Kenya's ministers of transport and public and health, to address the extent to which urban planning and bringing in concepts and approaches of sustainability into our urban transport space can actually help us handle the increasing number of cars, the increasing demand of mobility on our roads. Nairobi serves as a showcase both of the promise and the challenge of African urbanization. And so we're very happy to be having this meeting here. We welcome you and we look forward to hearing your views. Thank you.